Most people get this wrong. They assume anything labeled free tax filing will always stay free forever, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is trusting old branding without checking what the service actually offers today. In this video, we are breaking down Credit Karma Tax in 2026 and answering the real question: is it still free, and should you even use it anymore? Let's start with the simple truth. Credit Karma Tax as a standalone product no longer exists under that original name. It was rebranded and integrated into Cash App Taxes, which is now the main service that replaced it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though the original Credit Karma Tax branding changed, the idea of free tax filing still exists, but under different rules and a different system. So let's break it down step by step. First, is it still free? Yes, Cash App Taxes continues to offer free federal and state tax filing for most users. That means you can still file your taxes without paying a service fee in many situations. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Free does not always mean full-featured. Some tax situations are simple enough for free filing, but more complex cases may not be fully supported. For someone like Alex who has a basic W-2 job and standard deductions, this type of free filing system can work very well. But for someone like Jake who has self-employment income, investments, or multiple income streams, things can get more complicated and may require additional support or alternative tools. Now let's talk about accuracy and reliability. These platforms are generally accurate when you enter information correctly. They guide you through step-by-step filing, which reduces the chance of mistakes. But here's the key point. The accuracy depends more on your inputs than the platform itself. Even the best software cannot fix incorrect or missing information. In a minute, I'll show you the exact situations where free tax filing is perfect and where you should seriously consider upgrading to paid tax software or a professional. Now let's talk about user experience. Credit Karma originally built its tax system to be simple and beginner-friendly. That philosophy continues in Cash App Taxes. The interface is clean, simple, and designed for quick filing. But simplicity also means limitations. Advanced tax planning tools are not as strong compared to services like TurboTax or H&R Block. So is it still free in 2026? Yes. In many cases, it is still free to file your taxes. But it is no longer just Credit Karma Tax as a standalone product. It is part of a broader ecosystem now. Let's summarize everything clearly. Free tax filing still exists under the Cash App Taxes system. It works well for simple tax situations, and it remains one of the most cost-effective options available. But it is not ideal for complex financial situations. If this helped you understand how Credit Karma Tax works in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns like this.